here is the 12. And all the 12 here is one and only. There is no one other I already have. So it's very I'm very excited about what to see. I hope you like this too, and see what I found in here. For this game is the best game I ever played, or I should say will play. I have not played it yet, but it's feeling I already played it, for I know so much about it. Yes, there is a new one. The wizard guy. Okay, that is the same one there. I'll pick you out from there. Excuse me. The red is here. So now we look what I found in this one. Whoa, Jesus, what a cool one. That is a damn cool. This figure is a cool one. Oh, here is some the same like them. You must see that. Look here. Wow. Do you see? There is much detail on this one. You see? It looks like a humblebee or something like that. But it's not humblebee, for that is the cap, for he have the feet here. Cool one. Yep. Have I marked him here? Nope. He have two other ones here that look like him, but I get that in the middle again. There is many figures here. I have found the middle one first, then I found the other one. That is strange. It's like yeah, whatever. Now we get to another one. Yes, it's a new too. Cool. It's one of the wizards. there is more. It's going down and down. Soon we are finishing. Yes, there is it's one of the girl here. One, and I'll show you. This is see angle. She have the red clothes with the glasses on the head. Yes, is that a wait? Shoot, there is a one. So now I have them both. There is no tree one. Oh, I forgot to mark him. He is here. I see that now. So, now I got him too. Sorry, I forgot that. So, it's better I finish it now or never. I open one. Anyone here? Yes? Or what? Yes, it's not the same. Ooh, that was a little bit scary. They are very, very look like, you know. They look very like here is a new one. Of the same there. Katsumi. I remember that name. I maybe have Katsumi from the arena or yeah, we may see. We will see. I get back to them later. Katsumi is here. Yep. So yes, a new one. Something you can have in the game. Wow, I like this one too. You know, they are so beautiful in details. Now I have the blue one here. And here is the red. So they are in the same line here. Yes, there is one other. There are three here. I may found a black one. I missed that one.